Hi, everyone. This is Luann from Smart Tutoring, and I am a Firefighter Aptitude Test tutor. I'm here today to talk to you about map reading. There are 3 different types of maps that you could see on a Firefighter Aptitude test, and I would like to help you study for them. So we're going to go through them and a couple of questions you might see on your next Firefighter Aptitude test. The first type of map you could see on the map reading section of a firefighter test is in front of you here. That is the city map or the street map. One of the most common questions you could be asked on this type of map is, what is the most efficient route to take? Or what is the fastest route to take? They're the same question. And underneath, you would have 4 sets of different directions that you would have to pick from to determine the fastest route. The second type of map is similar to a city map, and that is the water infrastructure map or the water distribution map. Now, it is a city map, but on it, you have how the city lays out its water pipes and its hydrants. The most common question you could be asked on this type of map is about the hydrants themselves and whether or not they're operating. So you're going to need to pay close attention, if you can see this here, to the map's legend, because that's going to give you the information you need in terms of what are representative of the hydrants themselves and also the different types of information about the pipes. Definitely, if something like this is on the map in your test, you are going to be tested on it. So make sure you understand how to read map legends and that you know that you're going to be asked about the information on a map legend. I just want to bring this up closer so you can see the maps on your test probably aren't going to be this complicated because the majority of them are photocopied, so it would be blurry, but you do have an opportunity to see that they have a city map, and on top of the map, the hydrants and the pipes themselves are imposed. So that's how you're going to understand and recognize a water infrastructure or water distribution chart. The third type of map you could see on a firefighter aptitude test is the residential floor plan. You could also see a commercial floor plan, but I chose to go with a residential floor plan. A common question you could see on this type of map is a question on square footage. So for example, they could ask you, what is the square footage of the foyer? In that case, you would have to pull the information from the map and apply the area formula. Area equals length times width, and the foyer length and width are 6 times 6. So to answer the question, what is the square footage of the foyer? The answer would be 36 square feet. If you are unsure how to answer map reading questions, or if you're not familiar with any map reading strategies, I do recommend that you book an online tutoring session with me. You can find me online at smarttutoring.ca. And again, my name is Luann. Thank you and have a smart day.